Well, the last couple weeks have definitely been what you could say a bit of a roller coaster ride for just about all of us. I know we've all been trying to figure out find the best information we possibly can to, climb up this huge, massive hill of PPP, Paycheck Protection Program and economic injury disaster loans. And I just wanted to take a quick moment to thank everybody who's taken the time to subscribe to the channel, that have taken time to leave comments and ask questions and to collaborate with each other. It was something just fun, just to say thank you. I greatly appreciate it. All of your comments are helpful and they truly motivate us to keep doing this stuff. So I hope this uniquely different video just makes you smile a bit. Hope you're enjoying your weekend, and just know that we are committed to continuing to bring you more content that will hopefully help all of us get through this all together, because together we all succeed. Thank you so much, guys.